Hi there folks, Kent Otott out here at Concordia Chevy. Now I know it's kind of breezy out here, so I'll speak up. I'll do most of my talking inside this truck, but I have a 2017, it's a local trade, Chevy Silverado 4-wheel drive LTZ pickup. Real nice running boards on her, new tires. It looks sharp, just sharp as sharp can be. Now, let's hit the unlock button here. Look down in here. You got the roll-up tonneau cover, spray and bed liner back here. Let's see if I can one-hand this. By golly, I can. There's what I call the old man steps for me, because I need those now as I approach another year of life. Running boards on it. It's had two owners. The second owners I know very well. I took this in as trade, and they did all their service work here at our Concordia Auto Mart Service Center. And what wasn't done there, we did here at Concordia Chevy. Chris did a wonderful job getting it ready for the lot. The guys inside, Dave, Kyle, and our techs did a great job running it through, making sure it was ready to go. Let's pop open the back door here. Real nice area back here. The couple that traded in had one daughter, and she sat back here a lot of the time and enjoyed life back here. You do have an armrest over here in this seat, which is real nice. Underneath here you have under seat storage, and then your tire tools will be kind of back there underneath that. So it cleaned up really well. Let's pop over here and hop inside out of the wind. So it does have the tow package in here. 149,674 miles on it. Bose sound system down there, memory seats. You know, being the LTZ, it has all those sweet little features. I made a video earlier and I said it was a one-owner truck. No, it's a two-owner truck. Yes, folks, I made a mistake. Can you believe that? I can tell you about a couple real good mistakes I've made in my life. If you come and see me here at Concordia Chevy and ask me, Kent, what's your worst mistakes? I will tell you. How about that? Come by and see me sometime. Now, we have heated seats, Bose sound system, owner's manuals in the glove box. Looky here, folks, all sorts of power supply. What I call the cigarette lighters, because I'm old. You got the 110 there, you have two USB, the older style USB items, bed light there, backup camera. I think I showed that to you. Let's throw her back into reverse again. There you go, there's your backup camera. Tow haul mode here on the thing, cruise control. I don't know what the engineers at GM were smoking when they designed these things, because even when they first came out for wireless charging, they just weren't big enough. That just shows you it takes them a while to come up. You know, they come up with a good idea, but it takes them a while to make it better. So down here you got plenty of storage, more power sources there. They did add on this trailer brake controller down here. That is aftermarket. So your four-wheel drive buttons over here. I don't know really what this is for. You know, keep some coins in. Who knows? But it's there. It's functional. If you got something, maybe you don't really want to put a candy bar there. That's what the armrest area is for. But maybe some coins, toothpick. I don't know what you want to put there. Two owner, no accidents. Chevy Silverado 2017. Black in color, it's polished up, it is ready to go. Oh, you do have garage door opener buttons up here, so, and that back window will slide open and close. What else do we have for you? What you need to do is you need to come and look at this truck. It is one sharp pickup truck. 785-243-4380 is the phone number for the store. You can call and ask for me. You can visit online at concordiachevy.com, or you can send me a text. Say, Kent, we're glad that you made the second video and, you know, edited things from, you know, two owners, or from one owner to two owner, that you didn't make us suffer through that. Or like I said, you can text me or call me, 785-243-8656. Ask about this truck. We do have a 3/4 ton truck available right now. I'll be making that video later. We have a brand new half-ton pickup on the lot. So we even have a Chevy Colorado work truck, 2-wheel drive. Everything else is 4-wheel drive. How about that? 785-243-8656. Give me a call, shoot me a text. We just always want to take care of you here at Concordia Chevy. You have a great day now.